Good morning, my name is Alice Geranville. I'm 23 years old. I'm a student at Vatel Bordeaux in the wine specialization MBA, and I come from Angers.
So hello, I'm Shoradip Roy and I'm from Calcutta, India, which is actually the eastern part of India. So that's a beautiful country, beautiful city, and currently I'm in one of the beautiful cities in the world. So France, as we all know, is the king of wine industry, and when anybody hears wine, they know that Bordeaux is the right place to be, Burgundy or Loire Valley, anywhere in France. So, and obviously romance is one of the part of France, and I wanted to experience the French culture and the French history along with it. So what better place to be than to be in France? So here I am.
Actually, after the second year, I had the opportunity to participate to the Marco Polo program, and so I studied at Vatel Madrid, and I realized at the end of the year that I was missing Vatel Bordeaux people. So for me it was obvious to come back here and to continue my study here for the MBA. Since the beginning of my bachelor here, I knew I wanted to do the MBA in the wine and spirit specialization. Then plenty of universities in Bordeaux offer a wine and spirit specialization, but none of them Vatel Bordeaux provides. 2 feet in the hospitality industry, 2 key diplomas for the wine and spirit industry, so the wine set level 2 and 3, and a precious network. This is the main thing from Vatel. So during your study, you build a network in the wine industry, of course, and being passionate, willing to work in this industry, well, for me it was more than obvious to continue here for the specialization.
Wines and spirits has always fascinated me from the very beginning, as soon as I turned adult. And then you get the programs provided here are quite unique and quite beautifully structured. That's what fascinated me most, is like you get wine, you get to go to vineyards, you get travel, go to experience the actual field trips, and you also get to learn from the experts in the industry. So, and most importantly, you get the network. That's the most important thing. From the first day when I arrived over here, it was very difficult for me to come over here because it was quite a tough time last year. But my friends over here were quite good, and there was something which was the language barrier we had, but they tried to get past this, and they tried to integrate me there. And most important thing was I was also into it, and I also wanted to learn about them, their culture. Gradually we all had together, we had a great time during this entire 1 year we spent together, and now there's more fun memories to come, to have more fun as we continue to another year.
Basically, and to be honest, the fun memory and the best memory is my just daily routine at Vatel. Speaking with the administration team, coming at school with my electric scooter, and seeing the sunrise on the Garonne River, having 4-hour class with more than incredible teacher, then having wine tasting during the class, and finishing the day with a drink with my classmates, if we are lucky, crossing the Vatel team, and just speaking about whatever subject except uni. For me, it's my best memory.